Okay, everyone, I'm replacing a clutch seal behind the secondary clutch on a 2020 Can-Am Defender. I would accelerate and past 45 miles an hour, the engine would rev up, RPMs would go up, but the speed would not. So the clutch was slipping. So I took the CVT cover off and found a slight amount of oil throughout the whole CVT interior housing, making the belt slip. When a belt is saturated in oil, then you don't want to reuse that belt, and you want to switch out that belt and figure out where that oil is coming from. Took off the CVT cover and found oil coming out of the secondary clutch housing, not the primary clutch housing, the secondary clutch housing. So I cleaned that all up and took the old gasket out of this area. The gasket looked kind of torn up, not horrible, but definitely leaking from there. So I used, they have nail tricks on YouTube, screw tricks. I ended up using these pry tools, little tiny hooked tools that I was able to hook into the gasket, pull around, and it took some prying to get off, but finally got it. So that's good. I have a new secondary clutch gearbox seal that'll go around that secondary clutch shaft. I've cleaned up the area inside here, but also realized that I can't necessarily rule out that the leaking wasn't coming from the housing screws. So I'm going to get some thread lock, grease lock to put around these screws, because you can tell there was that on there before. So just to rule out any more leakage, that is what I'm going to end up doing. I'm going to put the seal back in, put thread lock on all of these guys, screw them in, and I cleaned everything back up, got a new belt. You don't want oil in there, so the interior housing is cleaned up. But hopefully that'll fix the problem, and pretty simple fix. I was quoted an insane amount of money to do this. It's taken me probably 3 hours to get to this point, and it'll take me probably an hour to put it all back together. So that's what I've experienced on my 2020 Can-Am Defender HD10. Belt slippage with founding oil leak, gearbox grease oil leak on the secondary clutch, and this is what it looks like. And we're almost done with a new seal here from Pro Caliber and Bend. I was just wanted to do it myself based on what they said they would charge. So hopefully that helps someone. There's not many videos online of this particular issue. Hope that helps.